Hi guys, so I am watching GBPJPY. I actually saw this break of the channel late, so I'm hoping with this candle right here, which could potentially make market go back up for retest before coming down to take profit. So we're gonna watch how this plays out. This is giving me some kind of hope. If this plays out how I'm imagining it could play out, that we might still get a chance for an entry on this one before it comes back down to where we'll be looking to take profit, which is here at 190.105. So let's watch how this plays out, guys. And I'm thinking this is happening because we have, let me show you, we have this zone, okay, and then we also have this zone and the wick, and then we also have this support area, and all of these might be playing roles in why market is having a minor rebounds, a minor retrace here, or why it could have a minor retrace here. But let's see how it works out, okay? And if we do have the minor retrace, expect it to come up around this zone, and hopefully we get another candlestick to show us that it's coming back down to basically get to this TP. Okay, so let's watch how this plays out, guys. Okay guys, that's a very strong bullish candle right there. Still forming, so not yet closed, but it's pretty clear. I did see a sign of reversal for the market right at this zone because the candlesticks were telling, of course, and I showed you the reasons why market could be stalling here. So two signs, area of interest, or as some people like to call it, support zones are all the blocks and the candlesticks as well. So all the signs were there. We're getting that upside. It's a pretty long candle though. We have about a minute left on it. Just less than a minute. Anyway, so let's continue observing. This is likely, I can't imagine this is going to close bearish in the next few seconds. So it's likely a bullish candle. Any scalpers could just jump in. I mean, some people just jumping here once they know it's going to close bullish. And some people like me, if I wanted to trade this, for example, I'd wait to see if the next candle gets closer to the neckline of the engulfing, and then get in to take it back up. But I'm not trading this, I'm just observing because I'm trying to see if when we get back to the top, market would now reverse again to come back down. So we just have to take everything step by step, but no trades for now, guys. No trades. So let me just be clear. I want to see how market reacts at this zone right here. Okay, if we get an indication that it's now going to reverse here, or maybe it might go even higher, I don't know. But right now I'm looking at here to see what happens. So So let me just delete this and keep observing. Okay, I'm guessing this is the retest of the engulfing candle. So trying to get closer to the retest of the engulfing candle, and then we should get more upside and see how far that takes us. And by the way guys, if you trade patterns and channels, this one is obviously a channel. I mean, it's pretty much the same, isn't it? The same thing. So as market was rising up, and then after it hit, because I took some buys earlier in GJ, so I had this zone as the TP for the buys. Okay, and after market hit here, eventually started reversing. I noticed a reversal, but you know, was not paying attention, and market has continued, eventually broke, and I came back to just spying it again. I'm like, oh, I broke the channel, because I could see, I was like, oh no, there's this first touch here, and this is the diagonal support. First touch support, second touch support, follow my mouse to keep up, third touch support, and of course it now broke it at the fourth touch, as you can see. And then we had this downside, and then market stalled here from all of this and all of this. Okay, let me see where the wick gets up to. Okay, so the wick basically stalled here, here, and then the body, yeah, aligns with these things right here. Cool. Just observing guys. Still testing the neckline of the engulfing IC. Wow, that's a really deep test. This is what I call a real test of the neckline of an engulfing. You know, when I'm about to like jump in a trade and I can see all confluences, what I now like to see is the test of the neckline when it gets this close to the neckline of engulfing for the trade I'm trying to take, so that once I get into the trade, I am basically like, my stop loss is like super tight, super sweet, whatever. Yeah, so this is what market just did with the red candle that's forming after the engulfing blue candle. That's how I like to getting on a trade that I'm waiting to jump in at the perfect entry, which is right at the neckline of the engulfing. But of course, I told you I'm not taking any trades to the upside. I'm just waiting to see if market gets to this zone before dropping. But of course we also have here, so I wonder if market, instead of getting here, it's rather reacting to this zone instead. Let's see guys. If it doesn't get to this zone, I won't take any trade. I'll just observe it. I already know that market is going to drop, but I don't like to get in late. I would have preferred to get in here as market was breaking out of the channel. That's the perfect entry. So now with this candle, I figured, okay, market might get here. If it got here, then I'll jump in. If not, I'm staying out of it and just observing it from the sidelines. And as you can see, because of here, instead of going here, it's reacting to this resistance or this block here instead, which is fine. Not every trade needs to be taken, but at least I can observe trades. There are some trades I observe even, and they move directly in my favor, and I don't even getting on them because I've already taken trades for the day, and I just like to train my eyes, guys, to understand what market is doing. Okay, so it looks like this one is basically reacting to here as opposed to coming to this block instead, and I'm perfectly fine with that. All it means is no trades for me on this one because I like to get in on my perfect entry. you know, no perfect entry. I just observed what I expected market to do, which is to sell. So this is what market is doing. This is a trade. I saw we were going to get dropped, and the retracement didn't quite happen as I would have liked. So no entries for us, guys. No entries for us. But at least you understand how I observe market. I hope you learned something, guys, from this. If you do like this, guys, make sure you like and subscribe, please, so I can bring you more content. And leave a comment as well if you have any questions, have any queries, if all of this makes sense to you, or anything you want to say. Leave the comments there in the comment section, and I will get back to you. Okay guys, so I will go and come back for the result of this trade, so stay tuned. Okay guys, we are back and still observing market. It's gotten pretty close, but we still haven't actually hit the zone that I expected it to hit. Okay, but I will continue watching it and I will be right back. Ladies and gentlemen, guys, we have hit TP on the trade, which I didn't participate in because market did not get to where I would have liked it to get to. But however, we saw this move coming and we observe it till the very end. Okay, so anything that happens after that, usually I collect all my profits here at the first TP and leave partials for either potential reversal, retracement, or continuation downwards. But in this case, no trades, just observation, just to show you that market was going to do what I expected it to do. So right now, the market is here. Again, just like, let me see. Okay. So market could just do this, but knowing GJ being GJ, it probably would have some retracement first. But whichever it is, the trade has played out exactly like I thought it would. Okay, so make sure you like and subscribe to my channel so that you can get notified when I post new videos that you would like to watch. Bye. Hi guys, sorry, before I posted a video I decided to add this last bit to it. I'm surprised GJ didn't even give any retracements. It literally just went straight down, guys, straight down, no cap, no no BSing, literally. Like, if you can even call this a retracement, because he had this like bullish engulfing and then it got wicked out at this consolidated zone, which you guys like to call order block. So market literally had this minor retracement to here, and then next thing you know, the candles were just shooting down, pow pow pow. So there you have it, guys. A wonderful GJ trade, no retracements whatsoever before it continued on its way downwards. Great. But yeah, you see, I observe moves in market pretty good. I just wish I actually spotted this trade pretty early, but unfortunately you cannot see everything. Okay guys, bye, subscribe.